I forgot my vlog camera and I'm too lazy to go back and get it, so I'm vlogging on the phone. It's 12:55. It's basically 1 o'clock. I'm going to the post office. I'm gonna go get coffee, and then I have to go into Queens for something. I have to pick something up from my parents, so we're gonna do that today. Yes. Yeah. First we gotta get gas because mama's running on low. No bueno. Okay, so all my lipstick is basically where's my straw? Okay guys, I cannot vlog today. Oh, I look like not that cute. You guys can barely see me, and that's okay, but today I did something I don't usually do. I got an iced drink and I'm very excited. This is the iced toasted white chocolate mocha, and oh yeah, this literally tastes like ice cream, and I only get these on days that I want to like treat myself. This is really sugary. This is a lot of sugar, but I deserve it. And you do too. If you've been having a tough week, a healthy week, treat yourself to this goodness. Alright guys, I'm gonna head to Queens now. Probably won't vlog that much because I don't have a tripod for my car yet. See you guys back at home, and I have to get a lot done at home, so I'll try to vlog there as well. I left my car for like 2 minutes and I come back to fresh speed. Creep now and videotaping this dog. Look how cute it is. Oh my god. Oh no, so cute. Hi guys, it is about that time. It's around 4 p.m. and I'm about to, I have to clean. I have to organize so much stuff. It's not even funny. So this is my really messy makeup collection ensemble, and I can't even open it right now. Give me a sec. I can't even open some of the drawers because they're so heavy, and some of these products are really old, so I need to go through all of it, throw it out. I have so many like new products that I have to organize, and yeah, so let me just get started on that. It is way overdue. I'm starting to clear up my first drawer. This is starting to clear up right now. I have so many things I don't use, and I'm actually really happy I'm doing this today. Okay, so let's see what else I have in here. This I will use. This is like an impression that's so dirty. Oh my god. It's one I got with my impressions mirror. I should clean that up and use it. Garbage. Ketchup. Garbage. This is eyeglass cleaner. I'll keep that. Band-Aid. That's kind of gross. Garbage. Lip gloss that I haven't used in a while. Garbage. Debit card that expired. Garbage. Garbage. This I should keep. Bobby pins I'm gonna keep. This came with my highlighting mist from Patrick Ta. A pen that doesn't work, garbage. Jolly Rancher wrapper, garbage. String, garbage. And this is a nail file. I will keep it. Alright, next. Okay, these are all my liquid lipsticks / lip glosses, and they are not organized at all. Some of them are really old. I have to organize them and throw out the old ones. And then, oh god, underneath I have lipsticks and some liquid lipsticks that are mixed in there. Yeah, let me focus on this, guys, and I'll check in on you. Guys, I'm not even a little bit done. I'm almost done with organizing. Almost. Today has been really just a self-care, organization, get my shit together kind of day, which honestly we all need that kind of day where you just spend the whole day organizing your thoughts, kind of meditating, doing whatever you need to do that's outside of like work and school and money. So that's what I did today. I'm really tired. My boyfriend's about to come over. And yeah, so... Oh, it's already recording. Hi guys, happy Friday, TGIF. Today's Vlogmas day 11 and hi. So it's already like 2:00 p.m. I spent the whole morning making candles, just stocking up on inventory. I had some orders I had to make and I have to pack them as well later on today. And then I just spent the rest of the afternoon kind of just like answering emails, just getting my life together. Now it's 2:00. I'm about to go out and get something to eat because starving. Our kitchen is done. I'm going to show you guys later. I also have to get some Swiffer wet jets and some cleaning supplies for my kitchen because it's finished and I'm very happy with the progress. And then later on tonight I'm going to go get dinner with my friend, so I'll try to vlog there too. So yeah, so let me go get something to eat. I definitely need coffee and then I'll just probably go get some cleaning supplies. I'm having really bad allergies. I hate allergies so much. It makes you feel like you can't do anything and I have to do stuff, guys. Okay, anyways, let me go to Starbucks. When they give you a venti instead of a grande, today's a good day, guys. Good day. I'm so intrigued. Milani came out with these lip balms. They look so cool. Hi my loves. So I don't know how the day went by so quickly. I honestly have no idea, but it's currently 6 o'clock right now. I just did my makeup a little bit, not really, a little bit, and I'm about to go pick up my friends and we're about to go to dinner. Hi guys, oh, what's wrong with me? Hi guys, so I literally just got back from dinner with my friend. I feel like I barely vlogged any food, but I got some bomb-ass tacos. And I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm just in front of CVS right now. I'm just gonna get milk, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just said that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's kind of been all over the place, but I've really been trying. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit more exciting because my boyfriend and I are going into the city. We're going to stay there for like 2 days, so it'll be a little bit more exciting. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in my next